What's up, peeps? Welcome back to another math vid. Today we're going to be looking at some more irregular shaped perimeter and areas, I guess I could say. So our first question today is, a square is cut from one side of a rectangular sheet of paper as shown below. What is perimeter of the remaining paper? Well, you could also do it as like the traditional method, which they taught you in school, like 11 plus 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. But there's also an easier method. You can move this length down, you can move it down to here to make up this part. But, as you know, these sides, which we know are 3 because this is a square, then we still have to add these 3 on. But that's not a problem because it's just the entire thing's perimeter, adding 6. So it becomes a lot easier and you don't need to solve for the other sides. So that would just be 11 times 2, 22, plus 8 times 2, 16. And then we add on the remaining 6. So when we add these all together, 28 plus 16. And now we know that it has to end in a 4. And there's only one that ends in 4. So making it easier for you and your brain and the time. So our next question here is, what is the area of the parallelogram shown above? So do you guys remember how to solve an area of a parallelogram? Have they taught you in school? So you see that they've already driven a line here. You move this triangle over to this side to make a normal rectangle. So it's basically the same as a rectangle's area solving. So that means 14 multiplied by 4. 14 by 4. But not many people are fluent in their 14s. So how do we solve this? Well, right away we can get rid of b because it does not end in 6. But there's still 3 left. So how do we solve it? We can think of here 12 multiplied by 4, which many people are fluent in because it equals 48. So 14 is greater than 12. And when multiplied the same thing, 14 multiplied by 4 has to be more than 12 times 4. So it has to be something greater than 48. And there's only one number here that's greater than 48, which is D. Moving on to the last question. What is the area of the trapezoid shown above? How do we solve the area of a trapezoid? As explained. It's the top plus the bottom multiplied by the height, or you can make it capitalized, divided by 2. So that's the area of a trapezoid. So following that same logic, we can swap out the H for an 8, the T for a 9, the B for 15, and we just keep the 2. So our new equation now is composed of 8 multiplied by 9 plus 15 divided by 2. So now that we actually have our equation down, now we just need to solve it. We can right away just get rid of that, make that a 4. So now it's just 9 plus 15 multiplied by 4. 9 plus 15, which is 24 multiplied by 4. And we don't need to divide anymore. So we know that it has to end in a 6. And there's only one number here that ends in 6. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys learn at least a bit more about math. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!